Hello everyone, I'm Aarti from BSc Chemistry Honors, first year. My roll number is 06. Let's start a topic whose name is boragine. Boragine or borazole, which have chemical formula B3N3 and H6. Boragine are colorless liquid and isoelectronic with benzene, and hence they are also called inorganic benzene. Structure. Various chemical reaction and electron diffraction study show that borazine is isoelectronic with benzene and its structure is the same as of the benzene. Like benzene, borazone has a planar hexagonal structure containing 6-membered ring in which B and N are arranged alternatively. Because of the similarity between the structure of borazine and benzene, borazine also called as inorganic benzene. In borazine, boron, nitrogen and hydrogen are involved. Boron, whose electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p1, and nitrogen, whose electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p3. In nitrogen there is a one lone pair, and in boron one empty orbital. Nitrogen, due to have lone pair, it will donate in empty orbital of boron. Boragine and nitrogen are sp2 hybridized. Each nitrogen has one lone pair of electron while each B has an empty p orbital. B and bond in boragine is a dative bond which arises from the sidewise overlapping between the filled p orbital of N atom and empty p orbital of B atom. Since benzene and boragine are isoelectronic with each other, both are the compound which have same electronic cloud. Due to greater difference in electronegativity between boron and nitrogen atom, the electron cloud in B3N3 ring of boragine molecule is partially delocalized, since n orbital are of lower energy than B orbital, which in case of benzene ring the electron cloud is completely delocalized. Molecular orbital calculation have indicated that electron draft from N to B is less than the electron draft from B to N due to greater electronegativity of nitrogen atom. For the nitrogen atom become relatively more negative than B atom. In benzene molecule, C double bond C bonds are non-polar, while in case of B3N3H6, due to difference in electronegativity between B and N atom, B and N bond is polar. इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी डिफरेंस ज़्यादा हो जाता है बोरोन और नाइट्रोजन के अंदर, जिसकी वजह से वहाँ पे पोलरिटी क्रिएट होती है. पोलरिटी मतलब चार्ज क्रिएट होता है. लेकिन बेंजीन है वो नॉन पोलर, उसके अंदर कोई चार्ज क्रिएट नहीं होता क्योंकि इसके अंदर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी डिफरेंस इतना ज़्यादा नहीं होता है. और इसका रीजन होता है जो पार्शियली डिलोकलाइजेशन होती है इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की, जो कि B3N3H6 बोराजिन के अंदर वीक होती है. एन एटम रिटेन सम ऑफ इट्स बेसिसिटी एंड बी एटम रिटेन्स सम ऑफ इट एसिसिटी. जो लोन पेयर डोनेट कर दे वो बेस होता है, जो लोन पेयर को एक्सेप्ट कर ले वो एसिड होता है. द पोलर स्पीसीज लाइक HCl देयरफॉर अटैक द डबल बॉन्ड बिटवीन N and B. Boragine is contrast to benzene. Undergo addition reaction. Electrophile H positive attack to the partially negative and N atom, and negative group add to the partially positive and B atom. Now we will study the preparation of boragine. Preparation of boragine. First method is Stoke and Pohland method. Stoke and Pohland method. In this method, diborane B2H6 react with amine NH3 and gives boragine. And second method is heating BCl3 with NH4Cl. NH4Cl react with BCl3, gives Cl3B3N3H3 plus HCl. When Cl3, B3N3 and H3 react with lithium beryllium hydride, it will give B3N3H6 lithium chloride. By heating a mixture of lithium beryllium hydride plus ammonium chloride, it will also give boragine. And uses of boragine: boragine is used as a catalyst, boragine is used as a rocket fuel, boragine is used as a reducing agent, and it can be used to grow hexagonal boron HBN thin films. Thanks.